thank you to our God. Sino bang magbibigay ng kanyang iisang anak to save a friend? And yet Jesus wants us to be, He wants to be our best friend. Paano kita mapasasalamatan sa puso mo? Ngayon lamang ako na mahal ng tunay sa tanang aking buhay. Sapat na ba ang ako ay mananatili ka dito sa aking puso? Paano kita mapasasalamatan? Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita magpakailan naman? You can be sure that God is so pleased that you said that prayer. And you can say that again alone in your room, on your knees, with closed eyes, and just say, "Come, Jesus, change me. I want to live for you." Ngayon lamang ako na mahalin ng tunay sa tanang aking buhay. Sapat na ba, sing with me, ang ako ay mangako? Come on, sing it to Him. Mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Paano kita mapasasalamatan? Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita magpakailan naman? How about a big hand for all of you? How amazing! Thank you so much. Oh, acknowledgements muna. Yan, magpapasalamat muna ako sa mga very important people actually. Without all of these people who are so giving, wala po, hindi ako nakarating dito.